Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair video for you. I am using products from my February curl box. So I have mentioned curl box 1,001 times on my channel. They're from Creme of Nature. I did not even know Creme of Nature had a new line. So I was very happy to see them in my curl box, and of course I was excited to try them. I will leave that curl box video linked both in my cards, which you should see like up here, and I'll leave it below. Since I showed you the items, I figured I should come back and show you how I use them on my hair. So I am showing you both a wash and style. I'll just go over the products that I use because I didn't use everything that was in the box. So this line, this is their butter blend and flaxseed line. This one, the first item that I used was the double duty detangle and slip shampoo. Such a long name, but this is the shampoo that I used. So I used that, and it said that it has a butter blend, it has flaxseed oil, it has an argan oil, and then it said that it does not have any sulfates, mineral oil, silicones, all of that. This new line does not have a hair mask, but I do have a Creme of Nature hair mask that I use. So I use the one from the Pure Honey line, and this is their Moisture Replenish and Strength hair mask. So it has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. So I use this hair mask. It came with a conditioner, so it's a double duty detangle and slip. This is actually a rinse out and a leave-in conditioner. This was the conditioner that I used. Then for my styler, the box came with a double duty stretch and define pudding. So this was the pudding that I used as my styler. I'm going to be showing you a little peek. This is the first time that I'm doing that, so let me know what you think. A little peek into me actually washing my hair, and you'll see, you know, the consistency of these products. I'm going to give you my thoughts on these products at the end of the video, so stick around to the end so you'll hear all my thoughts on how I like these products. Let's get into the wash day. let's get to twisting. I added my leave-in already, so it's a rinse out and leave-in conditioner. So I did this already. I am using the Double Duty Stretch and Define Pudding. I was actually surprised about the texture. I was expecting more of like a gel, I don't know, like a jelly type consistency. Let's see. Okay. And I have my 3 sections. You know, I love a good side part, so 2 in the front, and then I just did 1 at the back. Done with the back. Let me show you what they look like. They are really nice. They are really nice and juicy. So we're on to the front. We're down to the last section. I am done. This actually didn't take me that long. It took me maybe like an hour and 15 minutes, which is really good. As I said, I did, I guess, like medium-sized curls. Of course, I am going to let them dry overnight, plus my entire work day tomorrow, and I'll come back and show you the tape. It's the next day, so I am back to do the tape down. It is many hours later. I love how they look dry. This pudding really kept my curls like nice and tight and neat. I don't have like a lot of frizz or anything, and usually the top of my hair is looser, but these curls are really defined. I like it. I'm just going to use just a little bit of oil. So I'm using this Kenra moisturizing oil. It said that it's a lightweight hydrating oil. This was in my September curl box, so I'm just going to use a little bit of this, and then it just comes with came prepared with 1 little hair. Sorry. The back of my hair looks a little crazy because of how I slept, but it's fine. So let's start with this one. Now for my thoughts. The first, of course, is the shampoo. So I'll go in wash day order. So I use the shampoo, as you can see, and from the wash portion, it was on the looser side. The scent of these products, they have a really like mild scent, so nothing too overpowering. The shampoo laddered really well. What you'll hear me use a lot is soft. I don't know, it just, the shampoo, it just felt so soft going on the hair. I like the shampoo. I was able to detangle just a little bit with it in, but nothing too crazy, but it was good. It definitely did not strip my hair. So my hair felt nice and moisturized, but it did feel clean. So I love that. And I know that it does say that hair. So it said that it gently cleanses your hair without stripping it of your natural oils. I definitely think that it did that. So I like the shampoo. I really like the shampoo. Then I went in with the mask from the Pure Honey line. This mask, this is what it looks like. I used quite a bit. This mask was actually really good. I was able to detangle it. You know, detangling is a must. I left it in for about 10 minutes. I liked it, so I would definitely use this again. This mask was a definite yes for me. Then, of course, I went in with the conditioner, and as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this conditioner is one that you can rinse out or you can leave it in. So, you know, double duty. I also like this conditioner. This thing, though, is thick. So, as you can see, look, even now, look, it's not going anywhere, like nothing is moving. So it's thick, which I liked as well, because it was thick, but it wasn't it was thick to get out of the bottle, but adding it to your hair once your hair is wet, it was fine. And I got the same thing, nice and moisturized. The scent, same scent, really mild scent, and I was able to detangle with this, and my hair felt great after. So I also loved this conditioner. Of course, then I went in with the Style Double Duty Stretch and Define Pudding. This was like nice and light. I'll show you. So this was it. It was nice and light. Same thing, very mild scent. I love the scent of this line, because it's like you get like a faint, there's like a faint, you know, like, oh, like a faint fragrance, but it's not like bold and like in your face. So I really like that. And this pudding worked fine. It wasn't like thick or anything, and as you can see, it gave me really good definition, which I love. My hair feels really moisturized. Overall, I love this line, this the Butter Blend and Flaxseed line. I can't really think of a Creme of Nature product I've used that I have like absolutely hated. This line, I was impressed. There's another item in this line. I didn't use it today, but I don't really know. I'm thinking maybe I would use it as like a refresher. As I said, I didn't use it today, but the other thing that came in the line was a curl definer and booster. This was the other item. But since I have, initially I thought, oh, maybe I could use this as a leave-in, but since the conditioner is also a leave-in, overall, I liked this new line by Creme of Nature. I have to check in stores because I haven't seen it like in my Walgreens or anything yet, so I'm not sure where it is right now. It may be in like my beauty supply store, but I haven't seen it though. I would definitely recommend giving it a try, and I know usually Creme of Nature products are they're not too pricey. So that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you've actually seen this line in like your stores and which store you found it in. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications, because I am going to be sharing more of the products that I get in my curl boxes, especially like lines when they're like entire lines. I want to share, you know, how it works on my hair and share my thoughts on it. So don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I post a new video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.